Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. So if you also want to fill invite bar in Monopoly Go, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Monopoly Go application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now tap on the friends icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see three options: contacts, Facebook and invite. Tap on the invite option. Now from this interface, you'll be able to invite the friends. You can see invite bar over here. Every time you invite the friend, the invite bar will keep filling up. You can see two invite options over here, yellow and blue. The blue invite option is for Facebook. You can invite your friends through Facebook by tapping on this option, or you can also tap on the first option. Now from here, you'll be able to invite the friends via various platforms. You can also see the option for copy over here. Tap on it. Now your invite link will be copied. You can send this link to your friends. Open any social media platform. Now send this link to your friend. You can see over here the invite link is sent. Now if your friend downloads Monopoly Go through this link, the invite bar will fill up. When you invite enough friends, the invite bar will fill up completely and then you'll be able to get this reward. So that is how you fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.